Hi everyone! Happy Teachers' Day to the most amazing teachers out there. I hope you all remember me. Some of you might. I'm a Seam Kaur from 2018 batch. I want to thank you all from the core of my heart for making my school days the most memorable days of my life.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara. Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guru Dev Nama. Good morning, Cambridge family. This is Ishan Kaushal, alumni of Cambridge International School. This phrase above means that a teacher in themselves comprise all forms of gods. They are always on the top. They are considered over the god in our culture.
Cambridge has a special place for me, not just because it was my school, but because it added a lot of values for me, which helped me after I have been through it from school.